Of course, I feel happy because I have a big change of yesterday, but I'm not dare to let myself too happy because I know still have somebody in suffer. So I'm and I have a fear. I'm have fear because I don't know what can I say, what can I don't say. I don't can I cannot say. So so complicated my feeling. Yeah.
Do you think you're a free man now?
I don't know. Maybe tomorrow you still can see me. I'm free. Maybe maybe yes. Tomorrow I will go to back to the jail. I don't know. 咁呢4年裏邊好多即係外邊嘅轉變，我唔知啦。我呢啲又肥咗又瘦咗啦，即係經歷過好多唔開心、無力感，亦都慢慢恢復過嚟。咁我都會希望大家可以即係振作地，反正係咪都要生活，咁我哋就要好努力咁去生活。唔識點樣打算啊，因為即係對呢個世界我嘅認知其實係即係依家係啱啱第一日，即係所以我未來可以做啲乜嘢，應該做啲乜嘢，究竟條紅線係喺邊？咁我覺得我都要去重新摸索下。人生係咪都會推住你前進，冇得停落嚟？所以我都係會慢慢去認識下，即係呢一個社會。但係啱啱第一步，我係想同屋企人好好相處。明白。即係因為4年嘅分隔，其實係會令人覺得好牽腸掛肚。